This is Neil James back with another tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to upload a photo on Instagram using Google Chrome. So first thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome and then just navigate to your Instagram page. So I have it saved here. So as you can see, this is kind of desktop version of Instagram. It shows you can't actually add anything to it. You can view, but you can't add any photos. So in order to add photos, you double click on the page, so like this, and you should see, because I'm on a MacBook, it shows it like this, and you'd want to select inspect. So once you've selected inspect, it'll look something like this, and then you'll want to go to the toggle device toolbar, which is here, and click that. Once you've got that, you go up to responsive here, you click that, and you can choose any of these. I'm just going to choose iPhone X, so it'll show the screen that an iPhone X will use. So once you've done that, you click refresh page and it'll pop up with the menu you usually see on your mobile here. So once you've done that, you can add your photo. So I'm just going to do an example here, so I'll just put in my logo, and it works very similar to the mobile. So you can still add filters, you can edit, click next, you can write a different caption, you can add your location, you can tag people, but it doesn't have the options of sharing on Facebook or Twitter. That concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.